What's up, YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja back with another value adding video for you. In this video, we're going to be talking about an HR position at a company called Jellysmack. If you've never heard of them, that's okay. Jellysmack has been around since 2016, so they're still young, but their impact has been huge. How huge? You've probably seen their work. Didn't even know you saw it, but you did. If you've ever watched YouTube or been on social media and seen certain content creators, that's their work. The content creators do their work, they create their own content, but Jellysmack is the company that has been pushing them. And speaking of pushing them, they're looking to push their business forward by hiring a talent acquisition partner. Okay, this role is full time. It was posted a day ago. Today's date is the 18th of October 2021, and it is currently 4:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you do have time to apply, so don't worry. The best thing you can do is to like this video, comment on it, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so that when these money making videos come out, you're not left in the dark. You feel me? Awesome. Let's go. So Jellysmack wants you a talent acquisition partner. Now, when you get to this page, if you didn't know, you can actually press this link looking thing, that. If you press that, that will open up the web page to Jellysmack, and you can learn more about their company, how they operate, and who they're affiliated with. Now, Jellysmack is the global creator company that detects and develops the world's most talented video creators on social media. We're an optimistic crew who naturally goes the extra mile, has a glass half full mindset, and sees challenges as opportunities. We look for positive people who think outside the box, are inventive, bold, lead change, and believe that teamwork matters. Are you ready for your next challenge? Do you want to work for one of the fastest growing global startups? Do you want to love what you do and have fun doing it? Jellysmack might be the place for you. We are seeking a recruiter to join our amazing team. In this role, you are responsible for finding the best talent to match with the culture of our company. Our talent acquisitions team is dedicated to creating a world-class candidate and hiring manager experience. You will also serve as an advocate for our company by providing high-quality service internally and externally. With me so far? Great. So, if you are someone who's into social media, meaning you are a creator, you can be picked up by Jellysmack, and that would be a huge deal. And we'll see why as we go along. So, for this HR role, it is in HR because you'll be getting talent. These are some of the fun things you'll be doing. You'll be helping to drive recruiting initiatives. You'll maintain ATS database, maximize opportunities with social media and LinkedIn, provide recruitment strategy by understanding the hiring manager's needs, create an exceptional candidate experience by providing prompt, effective communication to candidates, identify and implement sourcing strategies that will drive talent to open positions, build and maintain strong relationships with hiring managers. So your ideal background will be as follows. Now, this is ideal, not necessarily what's required. Ideal. Okay? Previous digital media experience is a plus. 2+ years of full life cycle recruiting experience with high performing company. Solid communication, organizational and negotiation skills. Self-sufficient and able to work with little direct supervision. Solid consulting skills and demonstrated ability to work in a team environment as a team leader and a member. Highly organized with a sound sense of urgency. Experience working with and establishing trust across multiple teams in multiple locations. Proven track record of building rapport with hiring managers. Have the skills to build a passive pipeline quickly and comprehensively. And the following are the benefits of working with Jellysmack. Our work from anywhere philosophy, and as such, Jellysmack believes in a flexible work environment in which anyone can work from anywhere. This is why we've implemented our flexible location philosophy, meaning You get the best of both worlds. You can choose to work from home and or from our offices in Paris, New York, LA, and Corti. In order to make sure you get the best working environment, you will get a 300 US dollars or 250 euro allowance to get set up. So you can take that money, fix up your little office space, your home. You have a little nook. You can get like a chair, a mouse, a couple of stuff to make sure that your workspace is solid. All right. Now the perks: you get summer Fridays off. Take off early, 5 Fridays a month in the summer. Paid volunteering: you have 1 day dedicated to supporting a cause of your choice. Company-sponsored wellness programs and events. Competitive healthcare coverage, including mental health programs. 401k match. So this is their commitment. Our commitment to diversity and inclusion at Jellysmack. We believe that the best ideas come from the diverse cultures of our team members. Okay? Our commitment to inclusion across race, gender, age, religion, identity, and experience drives us forward every day. Creating a work culture that is safe and comfortable for our people to flourish is our main focus. A bit about the company. I have mentioned before that they started in 2016, and they find content creators they believe have the potential to be big, and they pretty much find those people and promote them so that their revenue increases, their views increase, and as such, Jellysmack's stuff increases. And they do this so that the content creator can focus on creating content. The agency will focus on blowing them up and getting more views, more sponsorship deals, more of all of those things. So Jellysmack in itself is a creation company, helping creators, if you get what I mean. So if you didn't believe me in the beginning, here are some names of people that they've worked with. Follow me here. Okay? Derek Dessel, Karina Garcia, Brad Mondo, Mr. Beast, Bailey Sarian. Okay? All right. Patrick Starr, PewDiePie. I'm sure you've heard of those people. Okay? You also have different channels. I forgot one of them. I think one of them is called Oh My Goal. It's a football channel, as in, football. What some Americans would call soccer. Football. In my opinion, football is the name. Right? Here we go. You've probably heard of channels like Beauty Studio, Oh My Goal, as I mentioned just now, Gameology, and so many more. All these channels and creators and well-known personalities and so on, Jellysmack is the company that's pushing them. And you get the opportunity to work for such a company, especially if you want to break into such a space for yourself. It would be great to work with someone who is in that space. So if you are interested in a role like this, please go ahead and press this blue button, this one here. You see me drawing that square? Press that blue button and it will take you to the application page. Now, if you are worried about a resume or cover letter and you don't know how to put one together, there are tons of free templates all over the internet, but you don't need to scour the entire internet. What you can do is look for a link in the description below that says try Canva. Canva is free software in the body of a website. You enter your name, enter your email address, sign up, you create a profile, and you have access to thousands of templates, not just for resumes and cover letters and stuff like that, but for planners, journals, business cards, letters, notes, stickers, t-shirts, t-shirt logos, t-shirt prints. There's stickers. There's so many things you can create on Canva. It's like a blank canvas that you can use to create anything. Pinterest posts, Instagram posts. You can edit videos for your TikTok. Check it out, it's free. Guys, thanks for watching. If you are serious about making money online, I also advise you to check the link in the description below. The first link, not the Canva one, the first link. That will take you to options to create your own online business and other alternative sources of income online. So if you're interested in stuff like that, go ahead, press those links, learn for yourself, make a decision, and I'll catch you guys on the other end. This is the Internet Income Ninja, thanking you for joining in today. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.